Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I hope you consider hitting the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell. This is going to be our June month at a glance, and I will be using a kit from Prints by Shon. And you can see that here. I did do a giveaway for May for her May kit, and it was beautiful. It had the most beautifulest little doll ever. But June is my birthday month, so I'm super excited for that. And let's see if we can get this video to 35 likes, 35 thumbs up for me, please, guys. It does help my channel quite a bit. I am going to go ahead and lay this out. Okay, so that looks so cute. All right, so here we do have a little note section. Actually, I'm going to use this here, and I'm going to put my credit score here, like so. One for credit, one for a total debt. Actually, goal to get fill. I want to do this payoff debt goal, so I'm going to put this here. Actually, let's put this first, and then put this here, payoff debt goal. And then I got my notes, another goal, not payoff debt goal, but a goal I want to use or try to do is have no spends. So I want to have no spend days. And see, this is my credit, beginning credit, so I want to have ending credit. So this will be another goal. So my beginning credit, what I want to pay off, no spend days, and my ending credit. So goal 2, I want to put, what was it? I can't remember exactly what it was. Okay, let's go ahead and fill this in really fast. So for this would be my credit score at the beginning of the month, and then I put my credit score at the end of the month. Payoff goal would be to pay off, I want to say we're going to try to pay off, is it Amazon? Amazon. Okay, and my pay off Amazon, my first goal is I want to do at least 20 days no spend. Maybe that's too high. Let's do half. Let's do 15 days. I don't want to overwhelm myself. 15 days no spend. And my second goal would be to, I don't really know, I can't remember what it was. I had something, but I didn't write it down. I'll have to come back to that. What do I have over here? Did I have any goals over here? No. Okay. I don't remember exactly. So we have that. This kit did not come with bill due stickers or according, matching bill due stickers, but I do have some from Lexington flare that I can use here. And I'm going to use Planner Frizzy Payday stickers.
So payday's on Friday. So I'm going to put this up here in the corner so it doesn't cover that. And we're going to get paid weekly. So actually, this doesn't need to be there because that's for me. Go here.
Okay, so I'm just going to use these stickers. So first and foremost is Priceline. So we're going to put Priceline, and this is $54.96, and that is due on the 1st. Okay, my mortgage is due on the 1st. It's $6.79. Let's see if I can get this to come up. There we go. It's okay. Okay, then we have excess one on the 5th. And that is $25. And then we also have iTunes on the 5th. And that is $16.09. I think even though these builder stickers don't go with it, I think just because of the colors, they are super cute. What do you guys think? I love the pineapples. These stickers from Shay's, these stickers here from Prints by Shon are so nice and buttery. They come right on up. Okay, my phone is due on the 6th, so I'll put my phone, and that is $48.39. We were, thank God, thank you, able to pay off our Capital One, which was a little over $1,400. I think we started off at the beginning of the year. Let's see, what were we at the beginning of the year? Okay, at the beginning of the year we were at $1,402. So we were able to pay that off in the month of May, which is great. And I mean great, because I am just over the moon to being able to pay that card off. It's been over $1,000 for so many years. It's literally not even funny. Okay, then our lawnmower is due on the 6th, and that's $124. Not the 6th, on the 8th. I don't know why I threw that way over there, because I'm gonna need it in just a second again. Okay, our car note is on the 9th, and so is our PayPal. Yes, our PayPal. I do have my PayPal this month, so I'm gonna put car note first. So I'm gonna put car note, and that's $408. Okay, that is due on the 9th. Okay, and then we have our PayPal, and that's $27. Okay, I'm gonna lift that up in just a second. And then our dish is due on the 10th. Our lights are also due on the 10th, so I'm gonna put lights, and that is for $221 95. Okay. That was there. And then we have my hubby's phone. So I'll put hubby's phone is on the 11th. And that's 48.39. I don't know about you guys, but the first 2 weeks of the month are brutal. Very brutal. And then on the 12th, we have Hulu. And that's for $6.41. I don't know why I'm throwing those like as if I don't need them after I take this sticker off. Okay. And then Target is on the 19th, which is here. So this is Target. That's 35. I need to eventually tackle my Target. I think that's sitting at 8 and some change. Okay, so we have Target. Our car insurance is $145.60. Okay, and that is due on the 21st. My daughter's phone is due on the 48th, on the 22nd for $48.39. Our K's account, I'm gonna put K's for $105 is due on the 23rd. I'll do it this way. And so is our Amazon. Well, actually, I'm not even gonna put Amazon because I plan on paying it off this month. So I'm just gonna put K's here for the 23rd. And then our iCloud is on the 26th. So I'll put iCloud storage for 99 cents. And that's all that we have this month, guys. I don't think I left anything out. If I did, I would just go back and fill it back out. Just put these numbers over these pieces here. And that was actually pretty simple. These this kit is beautiful. Beautiful summer colors. The sticker quality is beautiful. I do wish they had a little bit more of a shine or sheen to them. But other than that, I mean, it's beautiful. Look at the rest of this kit. You got your budget, your debt overview, which I plan on doing that soon, sinking funds, notes. Then here's just some washi. Oh yes, and some boxes. Oh wait, so you know what? We're gonna put this down right over here. Summertime fine. Summertime fine. And budget queen. Oh yes. I don't know if that might be too much. Maybe budget queen here. How's that? That's okay. Budget queen there. And even down here, I think I'm gonna put something. Let's put something over this box here. Just like that. Oh, oops. Yep. And there we go, guys. So I'm super excited. I will be filling this out when the first comes. And these are my goals. Once I find out what my other goal is going to be, I will definitely write that in. But let me get you guys in here so you can see it a little bit better. Look at this. I don't know about you ladies, but this is so pretty. Shon, you did your thing. I can't wait for July to come out so I can see what July looks like. And she has the cutest dolls. I am telling you, the cutest dolls. Since I'm not doing sinking funds still, I might put my, how many paydays we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I might put my debt overview on this page because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 paychecks. So I think that's what I'm going to do on this page here. I think I'm going to put my debt overview there, which is somewhere. Girl, I just had, oh, here it is. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's it. If you like this kit, go and see Miss Shon from Prints by Shon because her stuff is, you know, and I don't use this word this much, but her stuff is popping. It is really pretty. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, guys. Bye.